How to know if someone hacked into your WhatsApp account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up WhatsApp. Now the first way of knowing is check out your recent messages. If you find any strange messages or unknown message that you never sent, then your account might have been hacked. Now the next method of knowing is simply tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on link devices. Now on this page, if you see any strange or unknown devices, then your account could be hacked. Now to prevent from hacking, simply go back, tap on three dots and go to settings. Now tap on account. Now click on two-step verifications. Now simply turn on the two-step verification. This will help to make your account more secure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.